All right, so we're getting ready to set up tiling our shower, and I popped my block off of here, and right now I'm trying to copy over then these grout lines to there just so I can get my starting point on this side. Here I started at this height just so it gave me one row for the tile, but I don't want to start that high on this side because then it's going to leave me 3 to 4 rows to fill in, and that's going to be a pain in the butt. So let's move this line down more because our tile is stackable here. Let me get one more. Whoops. Whoops. Here we go. 1, 2. And one more. 3. Okay. And I'm gonna make a mark here at the bottom. Okay, so that's gonna be my row. Now let's move it over to this side. Right there. So then on this side now, whoops, make some room. On this side then, we're gonna start over here. So if I throw my level here, ow, put it on this mark. Let's set this thing level. We got that. And we might get so freaking lucky. Let me see. Come on, Billy. Oh my God. Look at that. What? What? Oh my goodness. Do you see what's happening here? The line coming across there is freaking perfectly on this side. What? This just, oh man. A lucky guy. Look at that. So I literally am going to start right off the freaking floor. Oh. You know, sometimes you just get freaking lucky, man. All right, well, that's where we're gonna start. I mean, literally, come on, what are we talking about here? Bang! I mean, the line is right there. So I'm gonna start right there, put a little, like 1/16 of an inch shim to get me up there and get me a little grout line on the bottom. And there we go. All right, what luck, huh? Let's set that up.
I can do it. I can do it. I can do it.
All right, so quick little thing I'm gonna do here. as you can see, so this is my half, and now I'm starting to get into this post. So I'm about 1/4 of an inch shy to having just one single piece there. So I'm just gonna cut a piece that's 1/4 inch bigger. I mean, in all honesty, stepping back, you're not gonna notice it, but it's gonna leave you a really clean post. Because if you look on this side, I did the exact same thing here. You know, coming into the bathroom, nobody with a naked eye or not looking for it is gonna notice that those pieces are about 1/4 inch bigger than that piece, and those pieces going down. So, you know, quick glance, looks really nice. So that's what I'm gonna do on the other side, just to kind of keep it clean. That's our ceiling. Worked out really nice. One thing is right here. It's just a little bit too. That's just a little bit too big. I mean, with thin set, I'll be kind of there. So what I'm gonna do is this one wall, I will trowel out with half inch trowel. So just gonna get this out just a little bit instead of trying to get a piece in there. I definitely don't want to do that. Now I'm gonna cut this piece in. What's gonna be really cool is when the piece comes in, it'll be like that. How sick is that gonna be, huh? Pro. All right, let me get that done. All right, so we're done for today. Got this wall done. We got this wall done. The two sides, and we got the ceiling done. The ceiling looks legit, right? We lucked out that we didn't have to put any nailers there because the way our tile came across our lines was perfect. So that's awesome. Tomorrow we're gonna get that wall done, and get the floor done. This way I can finish the curb and everything like that. I guess when I can get the niche done too, maybe. Maybe not. We'll see. All right, well, that's it for today.